Okay, this question says that what can I do to move past the fear of not having enough experience or knowledge to start a successful business? Okay, I'll just read it again. What can I do to move past the fear of not having enough experience or knowledge to start a successful business? Thank you, Aditi, for this question. Aditi, I want to tell you that whenever we are starting out, we'll always have that fear that we do not have enough experience. I do not know enough. I don't have enough knowledge. I need to do more certifications. And the only way by which you can move past this fear is by adopting a growth mindset. You need to shift your mindset from a place of that I don't know enough to a place of I can learn what I need to learn. And for this, you would have to view challenges as an opportunity to grow rather than those barriers. You need to accept that aspect that you would not know everything right from the beginning, but you need to commit to learning as you go. And this learning could be through books, this learning could be through courses, or this learning could be through the real life example that you are undergoing on a constant basis. The second thing that I would want you to do, Aditi, is to leverage your existing skills. Identify and focus on the skills and the competencies that you have already got from your corporate career. It could be project management, it could be leadership, it could be communication, it could be marketing, it could be sales. These are all transferable skills, and these act as valuable assets in your business journey. And when you are moving ahead in your entrepreneurial journey, you don't need to take those big actions. You can start with small baby steps. Begin with a simple version of your business. Begin with a beta version of your business. Test your idea on a small scale to gain confidence. Learn what works, learn what doesn't work. And whatever doesn't work, you need to refine your approach. You need to change your strategy out there. And finally, I would say seek mentorship. Find those mentors and coaches who have the experience in the area where you feel less confident. Their guidance will help you fill those knowledge gaps, and it will help you boost your confidence. I would also want to add one more thing here, that it's not like everything you will be good at everything, but rather you have to understand that whatever are the things that you don't know, you can always outsource them. You don't need to know everything. You can outsource those tasks where you lack expertise, say accounting, marketing, or tech related things. If you don't know, it's absolutely okay to outsource them and rather focus on your strengths and delegate everything else. Whatever are your strengths, you just focus on that and you can delegate everything else. So when you do this particular thing, Aditi, you can definitely move past your fear of not having enough experience. And I want to tell you that Rome was not built in a single day. Rome was built every day. And that's the strategy that you need to take on in your business. So I want to know from you that how do you overcome this strategy, this fear of not knowing enough, not having enough experience? Do you go for more certifications? Because there is no end to learning. I had a client who had been learning for 2 decades and she did not even launch her entrepreneurial journey because she was like that, oh, I need to know more. And I want to tell you that is actually coming from your self-worth issues. If you have those self-worth issues, it is high time you work on your mindset. It is high time you work on your belief systems. It is high time you work on your thought patterns.